Merchant Best Kittle, BE 21 106 46 14. This good-looking pigeon is kinda the brand new sensation of the Belgian pigeon sport because with his 0.58%, he now owns the record of the lowest coefficient of the Sprint National Acebirds, a record beaten for the third time over the last 3 years. His performance list is astonishing. First Noyan 2,445 pigeons. First Pont 1,601 pigeons. First Pont 905 pigeons. First Noyan 798 pigeons. First Pont 730 pigeons. Second Pont 2,322 pigeons, and second Akun 1,377 pigeons. Mother Best Kittle, BE 14 103 43 71. Granddaughter Basic Breeder, Merchant. First Provincial Ace Sprint KBDB 2007. Merchant. His descendants are responsible for no less than 4 times first National Ace KBDB Sprint in 2015, 2017, 2019 and 2020. Mother Best Kittle is the mother and grandmother to First National Ace KBDB Sprint 2017. First National Ace KBDB Sprint 2020. Second National Ace Sprint 2018. Fourth National Ace KBDB 2016. 10th National Ace KBDB Sprint 2017. 19th National Ace KBDB Sprint 2017. Her descendants won at least 60 times first prize in lofts all over the world.